Hi, today we'll talk about Capture for Monday. Capture is a tool that converts screenshots into actionable tasks. It helps you save time by turning visual information into structured items directly in your Monday.com workspace. To get started, you'll need to install two extensions, the Monday.com extension and the Capture Chrome extension. Once installed, open your email. From Extensions, press the Capture icon to get started. Clicking it will open a panel where you can create a template. You can set up multiple templates for different needs. Start by giving your template a name, then choose the workspace, board, and group where your tasks should be saved. Fields from your Monday account will automatically appear, and you can fill them in as needed. Now, let's create a task. Select the template you want, and in the item name field, enter the title of your task. In the description field, you can type the details. The editor lets you format your text, add bold, italics, colors, headings, bullet points, numbered lists, links, or even images. There's also a button to remove formatting if needed. Next, you can fill in any additional fields that exist on your Monday board. And with the Edit Text mode, you can work not only with text, but also with code, depending on your needs. There's also a dedicated annotation panel. Here you can draw directly on the screen. Pick colors, use a pencil or highlighter, add text, numbers, lines, arrows, or blur sensitive details. Once done, you can take a screenshot, copy it to your clipboard. Capture also allows you to record short videos, up to 3 minutes. You can also capture screenshots directly without opening the annotation menu by clicking the camera icon. All the screenshots you take can then be inserted into the description. Click the paperclip icon to attach documents from your computer. Finally, by pressing the Create button, your task will instantly be added to your Monday board with all the filled-in information and attached files. With Capture for Monday, screenshots, notes, and tasks become structured, editable tasks in just seconds.